Hi, I'm Coach Amber, and today we're going to be making honey Dijon salmon with roasted veggies. So for this recipe, you will need 12 ounces of potatoes of your choice. I used small Yukon Gold, but you could also use sweet potatoes, and I would just probably use one. Half a small bag of baby carrots, 6 ounces of green beans, 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, or you can just season to your light preference, and 2 pieces of salmon. Last, you'll need 3 ounces of honey Dijon dressing. So for this recipe, I started off by preheating my oven to 450 degrees, and I cut my potatoes into kind of like potato wedge size, and I halved all my baby carrots. I tossed the potatoes with olive oil and Cajun seasoning along with salt and pepper, and I also put those same seasonings on my baby carrots. So I tossed them all together. Then I began to roast them in the oven for about 10 minutes. Once they were roasting for 10 minutes, I put in my green beans. I also tossed my green beans and all those same seasonings and left those in the oven while I started on my salmon. On my salmon, I patted it dry and added my Cajun seasoning, salt and pepper, and I began to saute that in a little bit of olive oil for about 7 minutes on each side. After the salmon had sauteed, I took it off the heat. I wiped out my pan and I added my honey Dijon dressing and a squeeze of lemon. I put a little bit of water and I let that reduce, and I put a little bit of salt and pepper. This was so amazing as a sauce. I usually don't do sauces, and you can choose to omit it. However, it made all the difference because I'm not a huge green bean eater, so the sauce definitely helped. And lastly, here it is, the honey Dijon salmon with the green beans and roasted potatoes and carrots. I did over roast mine just a little bit because I like my vegetables to have a little bit of crisp to them, but you cook your items to your own preference, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. We'll talk soon. Bye.